Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever. But what if it's not all good news? Today, let's look at the dark side of AI and the risks we can't afford to ignore. While AI offers incredible potential, there are critical dangers lurking beneath the surface. We need to be aware of these challenges to navigate the future responsibly. One of the biggest fears with AI is widespread job loss. Automation threatens millions of roles across various industries. From drivers to office workers, machines don't need breaks, they don't get tired, and companies are already replacing humans with algorithms. The impact of automation spans across various industries, fundamentally changing the landscape of work as we know it. AI can create fake videos and voices so realistic that it's hard to tell what's true anymore. Imagine a world where you can't trust the news, recordings, or even a phone call from a loved one. That world is already here with deepfakes. The rise of deepfakes leads to a dangerous erosion of trust in the information we consume daily. AI runs on data, and that means your data. Every search, every purchase, every click is fuel for algorithms. The more AI knows, the more it can predict and control behavior. This raises critical questions about data ownership and consent. The power of AI to predict and even control human behavior poses significant ethical challenges we must address. AI systems learn from the data we give them. If that data is biased, the AI makes biased decisions. This inherent bias in data can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, even if unintended by the creators. That can mean unfair hiring, unjust policing, or financial discrimination, all powered by a machine that doesn't even know it's being unfair. Finally, there's the ultimate fear. What happens if AI becomes too powerful? Even experts worry about a future where machines make decisions we can't fully understand or stop. The potential for AI to make decisions with unforeseen consequences highlights the need for robust ethical frameworks. So while AI has incredible potential to help humanity, we can't ignore its darker side. Job loss, deepfakes, bias, privacy, and loss of control are very real dangers we need to face today, not tomorrow. If you want to learn more about both the risks and benefits of AI, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who should know the truth.